Hey guys, it's Matt with Railfan Depot. I'm at the Florida Railroad Museum in Parrish, Florida. Check out this 060 switcher. Like a couple nice pieces here I wanted to check out. Got a few of these passenger cars that they use. The one on the left for model railroad, and the one on the right is where you buy your tickets for the excursions on the weekends, but they also have memorabilia and stuff you can buy inside.
Okay, do you know when you would like to move it to? Yeah, the window's open.
Very cool. Checking out the old signage here. Pretty cool. We have an old Pennsylvania Pullman car. The model railroad itself isn't open except on Saturdays and Sundays. Saw this too on the back side of the building. Pretty cool. I miss going to the circus with my family. Got the old container box back here on the back side. They do excursions here on Saturdays and Sundays, so just look up the Florida Railroad Museum here in Parrish, Florida. And as of right now, this particular engine is being cosmetically restored at their shops about 7 miles down the road. I asked if I could go check it out, but they weren't not allowed to let me. So I got a picture of it here for you guys. Go check out these other cars and diesel down there. Check out the old NW5 diesel locomotive here. It only had about 1,000 horsepower. It's hard to believe. Former Chesapeake and Ohio caboose. Well, there it is, guys. The Florida Railroad Museum. Call ahead. They do excursions on the weekends with a diesel locomotive, about a 7-mile trip up to their shop and back. So call ahead for that. It's located here in Parrish, Florida. Appreciate you guys watching. If you would, as always, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks, guys.